Think your home is too dark for beautiful plants? Think again. Some houseplants can actually thrive in low-light rooms, dark corners, offices, and north-facing windows. Today, we're counting down 15 low-light plants that genuinely tolerate less sunlight, and some are surprisingly beautiful. Stay until number 1, because it might be the easiest plant on this entire list. 15. The peace lily is a gorgeous choice for low-light spaces. Its deep green leaves and elegant white flowers can brighten bedrooms, bathrooms, and offices. It prefers bright, indirect light, but it can tolerate lower light conditions. Keep the soil slightly moist. Avoid direct sunlight, and watch for drooping leaves. That's its natural signal that it needs water. 14. Chinese evergreen, also called aglaonema, is one of the best plants for darker rooms. Its attractive leaves come in shades of green, silver, and sometimes pink. It doesn't need strong sunlight to remain beautiful. Water when the top layer of soil dries, and avoid placing it directly beside hot, sunny windows. 13. The cast iron plant earned its name for a reason. It's incredibly tough. It handles low light, inconsistent watering, and less than perfect indoor conditions, better than many houseplants. Its long dark green leaves create a lush appearance without demanding much attention. If you want a dependable plant for a darker corner, this one deserves consideration. 12. If you want a tropical look without needing a sunny room, meet the parlor palm. This elegant palm tolerates lower light and grows relatively slowly indoors. Its soft, arching leaves make it perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. Keep it away from harsh, direct sunlight. Water moderately, and give it good drainage. 11. Dracaena plants are popular because they combine dramatic foliage with relatively easy care. Many varieties tolerate low to moderate indoor light, making them excellent for apartments and offices. Allow the soil to partially dry between waterings and avoid constantly wet roots. With the right conditions, Dracaena can become a beautiful vertical centerpiece. 10. The heartleaf philodendron is perfect if you want trailing greenery in a low-light room. Its heart-shaped leaves can spill beautifully from shelves, hanging baskets, or cabinets. It grows best with bright, indirect light, but tolerates lower levels surprisingly well. Water when the soil begins drying, and trim the vines to encourage fuller growth. 9. Spider plants are beginner-friendly, attractive, and surprisingly adaptable. Their long, arching leaves look fantastic in hanging baskets or on shelves. They prefer indirect light, but can tolerate lower light areas. Avoid keeping the soil constantly soggy. With basic care, mature plants can produce little spiderettes, giving you even more plants to grow around your home. 8. The ZZ plant is practically made for low-light homes. Its thick, glossy leaves store water, helping it survive periods of neglect. It can tolerate surprisingly dark indoor locations, although growth will be slower. Water only when the soil has dried significantly. If you frequently forget your plants, the ZZ plant could become your new favorite. 7. Lucky bamboo can thrive in surprisingly low-light indoor environments and is often grown in water instead of soil. Its upright green stalks add a clean, modern appearance to desks, shelves, and entryways. Keep it away from intense direct sunlight and refresh its water regularly. It's an excellent option when you want simple greenery without complicated care. 6. Pothos is one of the most adaptable indoor plants you can grow. Its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines look incredible in hanging baskets or climbing around shelves, while brighter indirect light produces faster growth and stronger variegation. Pothos can survive in lower light. Let the soil partially dry before watering to keep those roots healthy. 5. The snake plant is a true low-light champion. Its tall architectural leaves can tolerate darker rooms and long periods between watering. It's especially useful for beginners because overwatering is usually a bigger problem than underwatering. Place it in indirect light, use well-draining soil, and allow the soil to dry thoroughly between waterings. 4. Dumb cane, or Dieffenbachia, brings large tropical leaves into spaces where many plants struggle. It tolerates low to moderate indirect light and can make a room feel instantly greener. Keep its soil lightly moist, but never waterlogged. Because its sap can irritate people and pets, place this plant somewhere safely out of reach. 3. Rubber plants are known for their thick, glossy leaves and impressive indoor presence. They prefer bright, indirect light, but established plants can adapt to moderate and somewhat lower light. Growth may slow in darker locations, so don't expect rapid growth there. Keep watering moderate and rotate the plant occasionally for balanced development. 2. The peacock plant, commonly known as Calathea, is famous for its beautifully patterned foliage. It naturally grows beneath forest canopies, making it well suited to indirect and filtered light. However, it can be more demanding than plants higher on this list. Keep humidity comfortable, avoid harsh sunlight, and maintain consistent moisture without creating soggy soil. 1. Taking our #1 spot is the legendary cast iron plant, Aspidistra elatior. It's one of the best choices for genuinely low-light indoor conditions. Its tough foliage can handle neglect far better than many houseplants. Growth is slow, but reliability is its superpower. For a darker room where other plants struggle, this is a fantastic choice. And there you have it, the top 15 low-light plants that actually thrive. Which one would you put in your darkest room? Tell us your favorite in the comments. If this ranking helped you discover a new plant, like the video, subscribe to Green Growth Tips, and turn on notifications for more plant rankings, growing secrets, and easy indoor gardening ideas. See you in the next video.